This video is going to look at the median. The median, just like the median in the middle of the freeway, is the number that's in the middle of a range of numbers. So if we have the numbers 7, 9, 8, 4, and 2, and we want to know what number is the middle of the path in there, the first thing that we have to do is we have to put those numbers in numerical order. So we would have 2 is the smallest number, 4 is the next smallest number, 7 is the next smallest number after that, 8 is the number after that, and then we have 9. So now we have our numbers in order, and we want to figure out what number is in the middle. So we're going to start crossing off numbers, starting at the ends and moving inward. First thing I'm going to do is lop off the first two numbers. The 9 and the 2 can go because they're on the end. Then we're going to move inward and cross off the next two numbers. The 8 and the 4 can go. We're left with one number in the middle, which is 7. 7 is the median in this problem. That'll only work half the time. The other half of the time, you're going to have an even amount of numbers. So let's take a look at another example. Let's take a look at 63, 14, 98, 32, 50, and 107. Let's put these numbers in order, first by picking out the smallest number, 14, and then moving on to the next biggest, 32, and so on. You'll notice I'm crossing off the numbers to make sure that I don't double up or forget a number. We're left with our numbers in order. We're going to start crossing off starting at the end. We're going to pull from the edges. 107 and 14 can both go. 98 and 32 can both go. And now I'm left with two numbers in the middle. We can't have two numbers for the median. So what we're going to do is we're going to add them up and divide them. We're going to add up 50 and 63. We're going to find the mean of these two numbers. 50 plus 63 is a much neater 113. And then we're going to divide that by 2. Let's show our work over here because we should always be showing our work. 113 divided by 2. 2 goes into 1. It doesn't. 2 goes into 11 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10. We're left with a 1 down here. We're going to drag down the next number, 13. 2 goes into 13 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. We're left with 1. We're going to put a decimal answer for this one. So we're going to put a decimal here and then move the decimal up so it's right here. Put an invisible 0 in there. Drag that invisible 0 down. 2 goes into 10 5 times. The median of this range of numbers is 56.5, even though that was never one of the numbers that were actually listed in the problem.